Welcome to our deep dive into playing rogues in Baldur's Gate 3. Rogues excel in stealth and mobility. They use cunning actions to dash, hide, or disengage as a bonus action, which keeps them nimble in combat. Their sneak attack feature adds extra damage when attacking with advantage or from stealth, making it a powerful tool for both melee and ranged combat. Now, what are the best races for rogues? Elves and half-elves offer dark vision and proficiency with longbows, which is perfect for a ranged rogue. Tieflings and humans have standard movement speed, which helps if you're a melee rogue, allowing you to close gaps quickly. Drow's superior dark vision that gives you double the visibility range in the dark, useful for hitting enemies from a distance. Focus on dexterity-based skills like stealth, sleight of hand, and acrobatics. Invest in expertise for stealth and sleight of hand to boost your proficiency. This makes it easier to sneak around and pick locks, and to perform sneak attacks even when enemies are watching. Now, what subclass should you choose? Thief grants fast hands for an extra bonus action and second story work to avoid fall damage. This is great for a flexible playstyle. An arcane trickster adds spellcasting to your arsenal. An assassin specializes in attacking from stealth, offering advantages on attacks and guaranteed critical hits on surprised enemies. However, the thief's bonus actions often prove more useful in practice. Make sure to always look for opportunities to use your sneak attack for maximum damage. Keeping your rogue in stealth can prevent them from being engaged in combat that allows you to set up ambushes or avoid damage. Make sure your melee weapons have the finesse trait to use dexterity for attack rolls. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.